Hi, my name is Brenda Henry, and my topic today is pregnant. I want to ask, how many of you love babies? And how many of you would go out of your way to help someone who's pregnant or a baby itself? Well, today I want to talk to you about one of the passions I have, Cradle. I want to talk to you about what Cradle is, where it began, and what it does. So to begin with, what is Cradle? Cradle is It's defined as crisis response and divine love emphasis. It's a non-profit, Christian-based ministry that gives help to pregnant and/or parenting families. Where did Cradle begin? Well, Cradle began in 1994 at First Christian Church as part of an outreach by the Lookout Sunday School class. The director at that time was Kathy Fry. They kept it at First Christian for as long as they could before they needed to move to another building. That building became the Bacala Medical Center on the square in Scottsburg. In 1996, however, Kathy decided to retire and move on with her husband, so they appointed Deanna Jackson as the director of Cradle. From the Bacala Medical Center, they moved it to First Southern Baptist Church, which is now called Turning Point in Scottsburg. They held it there for quite a while until it outgrew Turning Point. And then they moved into a building on the corner of Highland and Thomas Street in Scottsburg. And that's where it remains today. Although the building's moved several times, the concept or the mission has stayed the same, and that is to share the love of Jesus Christ with everyone in need. In 2017, Deanna finally retired and moved on to help her husband, who's a pastor at Turning Point. They appointed Michelle Cordy as Executive Director of Cradle and Lorraine Yendo as the Director of Client Services. Through Michelle and Lorraine, they made a lot of subtle changes. They still did pregnancy tests with counseling before and after. They still do the free ultrasounds on the first Thursday of every month, and that's by appointment. But they also take care of as many other needs as possible for the parents and parents-to-be, like groups. They also introduced what's called the Cradle Buck program, and they have a calendar of events that was started now, so that everyone knows what's going on each given day of the month for Cradle. The Cradle Buck program that I want to share with you about, they used to, when Deanna had Cradle and Kathy had Cradle, they used to have you do a down payment for any of the furniture or the clothing, and to get that back, you had to make sure that when the kids outgrew those things, that you brought those back. Well, Luann and Michelle initiated the Cradle Buck program, and in this, there's no money that changes hands. They earn their Cradle Bucks, which are written down on a card, by an orientation, donations of baby clothing or baby equipment. You can attend some of the groups that we have there, and I say we because I feel like I am part of it, because I have worked there with them before as a volunteer. And that leads to another thing. You can earn Cradle Bucks by volunteering. You earn Cradle Bucks by taking your children to the doctor, getting shots, joining the YMCA and exercising, enrolling in the Dolly Parton Library, the Imagination Library. If you go to church, you can rack up points that way. there are so many different ways that you can actually earn these points, and it's things that you do every day, or almost every day with your kids. Then, if you need something, say you need baby food, or changing table, or high chair, any of these kind of things, or crib, you have all those points that you've got, and you come in, you tell them what you need, they add up the points to see, if you need it, or if you can get it or not, and then we make sure that you have it. They're always clean, they're well taken care of, because everything that we get is gently used, donated items. Some are new. We have diapers, wipes, pull-ups, clothing from preemie to 7/8, boys and girls, winter clothes, summer clothes. We try to have food in the fridge in case somebody has given birth and they don't have anything, that they don't have anyone that can help them. So we try to have food in the freezer that we can take ready-made meals to. That's another thing that we do. The groups that they do are, they have safe sleep groups where they teach you about safe sleep. They have car seat safety. Mommy and me classes that are considered groups. Women's Bible studies. These are other things. Surviving daily life. And they even have some after-hours things like teaching people how to crochet or knit. Every year they do a Christmas store, which is all the toys and things that are donated up throughout the year that are in very good shape. We clean them, make sure they're all clean and ready to go, and at one point we will open what we call a little store and allow the parents to come in and choose items for their kids for Christmas. We did this last year, and last year alone we served, I believe it was 135 families. August is our busiest month. We usually see anywhere from 100 families or more during the month. And just in 2018, in formula, we gave away 213 canisters of formula in the first 6 months of 2018. Diapers, we gave 388 packs of 16 out. Pull-ups, we gave out 108 packs. We did 37 ultrasounds since the first of the year, 11 pregnancy tests, and the list goes on. We want to do what we can to help everyone. So today I've given you some information about Cradle and what it does to help families, and I've told you how it began. I've also explained to you what Cradle stands for and things it helps with, where it originated. I am very passionate about Cradle and helping families that are in need. So if you know of a non-profit organization like Cradle, take the time to check them out and possibly volunteer with them. They can always use help. I don't think I know of any place like this that would ever turn down help. So I hope you enjoyed my talk on Cradle, and please give me any kind of questions you need answered to.